What's up, everybody? It's Esther Bunn here, and welcome back to AI Open 586. AI is blowing up right now. It's everywhere. So, whether you're fresh out of school, looking for a career change, or just AI curious, this video is your roadmap. We're breaking down that journey into 5 clear steps, from the fundamentals all the way to landing your dream AI gig. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly are we talking about when we say AI? In a nutshell, it's all about teaching machines to think like us, to learn, problem solve, and even make decisions. Think about something like Spotify recommending music you'll love. Or how about self-driving cars? AI is the brains behind that operation, processing tons of data to navigate safely. Machine learning is a big one. That's where algorithms learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Then you've got deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, kind of like a digital brain. Once you've got a handle on the what of AI, you can start exploring the how. If you want to work in AI, you've got to speak its language, and that language is code. Python is known for being beginner-friendly, which is huge. But don't let that fool you. It's also incredibly powerful and has a super active community and tons of libraries specifically for AI and data science stuff. We're talking about libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These are your heavy hitters for building and training machine learning models. Start with the fundamentals, things like variables, data types, loops, and functions. Once you've got those down, you can move on to more advanced concepts like object-oriented programming. Try creating simple AI projects. Even something like a program that can recognize handwritten digits is a great place to begin. Chapter 3. Level up online courses and certifications. So you're starting to grasp the fundamentals of AI, and you're getting comfortable with Python. What's next? This is where online courses and certifications come in clutch. Think of these like your AI boot camps. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a ton of options, from beginner-friendly introductions to specialized deep learning courses. And the cool thing about these courses is that they often come with hands-on projects. Actually applying that knowledge to real-world scenarios, that's what's going to make you stand out. Having that piece of paper that says, yeah, I know my stuff, can be a real resume booster. Chapter 4, Real-World Projects, your AI portfolio. Okay, you've got the knowledge, you might even have the certifications, but here's the thing, the AI world wants to see what you can do. That's where building real-world projects comes in. Start with something that genuinely interests you. Maybe it's building a movie recommendation system, creating a chatbot, or even developing an AI that can play your favorite game. Platforms like Kaggle and GitHub are your best friends here. Kaggle hosts data science competitions. It's a great way to get your hands dirty with real data and see how your skills stack up. GitHub is where you can host your projects, collaborate with others, and show off your code to the world. Documenting your process is crucial. Explain the problem you're solving, the tools you're using, the challenges you faced, and the solutions you came up with. Chapter 5. Networking your way to AI success. The final step on your AI journey is all about connecting with people. Attend conferences, workshops, and meetups, both online and in person. These events are like gold mines for knowledge, insights, and connections. You'll get to hear from industry leaders, discover the latest trends, and meet other passionate AI enthusiasts. Don't be afraid to network, talk to people, ask questions, and share your own experiences. Building relationships is key in any field, but especially in a fast-paced world like AI. Find someone in the AI field who inspires you and reach out. Most people are happy to share their experiences, offer guidance, and help you navigate the challenges of building an AI career. Your AI adventure awaits. So there you have it, your 5-step guide to launching a career in AI. The world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop exploring. If this video fired up your AI engines, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Open 586 for more AI deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.